Good afternoon, students. I think last class we have completed introductory part of modulus of a complex number and what is the formula for square root. Now let us move exercise 2.5. Before we are going to exercise 2.5, let's just recall what is modulus of a complex number. This is a formula for modulus of a complex number. Okay. Here modulus of x plus iy equal to root of x square plus y square. Here this x is called real part of z, this y is called imaginary part of z. Sorry, this is real part square, this is imaginary part square. Now let's move on exercise 2.5. Find the modulus of the complex numbers. Okay, 2i by 3 plus 4i. Solution: modulus of 2i by 3 plus 4i equal to modulus of 0 plus 2i plus 3 plus 4i. This can be written as 0 plus 2i. This remains the same. Just recall the property modulus of z1 by z2 equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Just this property is used here. So modulus of 0 plus 2i divided by modulus of 3 plus 4i. Next step, root of this real part square, this imaginary part square. Here also root of this real part square plus this imaginary part square. This is the value is root 4. This is the value for root 25. Root 4 is 2, root 25 is 5. Okay, so the answer is 2 by 5. Next, sum number 2. For any two complex number z1 and z2 such that z1 and z2 equal to 1 and z1 z2 equal to minus 1, then show that z1 plus z2 is a real, z1 plus z2 by 1 plus z1 z2 is a real number. Okay, what we have to prove? This one is real number. Let it take z equal to this value. So we have to prove z is real. Z is real means it is enough to prove that z equal to z bar. Z equal to z bar means automatically we can prove z is real. Just you have to apply this property. Z is real if and only if z equal to z bar. So we have to use this property, and this is called in what enough to prove z equal to z bar. Now z bar equal to means z1 plus z2 by z1 plus z1 z2 the whole bar. Okay, separately we have to take modulus z1 plus z2 the whole bar divided by 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. So here also modulus of z plus z1 plus z2 means modulus of z1 bar plus modulus of z2 bar. Here also we got to use this one, z1 bar into z2 bar. Okay, here given that modulus of z1 and modulus of z2 equal to 1, so modulus of z1 equal to 1 means modulus of z1 equal to 1 means modulus of z1 square equal to 1. Here mod z square equal to z into z bar we know. So only we have to apply here z1 into z1 bar equal to 1. So z1 bar equal to 1 by z1. Similarly we can write z2 bar equal to 1 by z2. Okay. So z1 bar equal to 1 by z1, z2 bar equal to 1 by z2. Here 1 plus z1 bar means 1 by z1, z2 bar means 1 by z2. So we have to take LCM and simplified this form. So z1 plus z2 divided by z1 into z2. z1 z2 plus 1 divided by z1 is this, get cancel. So z2 plus z1 by 1 plus z1 z2. So this is nothing but z. This is nothing but z. Okay. So therefore let z, we have to find z bar. We get the result z. So z equal to z bar. So hence z is real. Hence z is real. Okay. Now we go to move that problem. What is that problem? Which one of the points 10 minus 8i and 11 plus 6i is closest to 1 plus i? Which point is closest to that point? Okay. So the common point is 1 plus i. So we take this point is z. This point is z1. This point is z2. Let z equal to 1 plus i. z1 equal to 10 minus 8i. z2 equal to 11 plus 6i. Okay. Now we have to find z minus z1 and z minus z2. Which one is the lowest value? That point is closest to 1 plus i. Okay. So now we have to calculate modulus of z minus z1. We already known that z equal to 1 plus i. Minus z1 means minus 10 plus 8i. Okay. So first we have to add real part and then we have to add imaginary part. We get the answer minus 9 plus 9i. Modulus value means root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So we have the answer root 162. Here also modulus of z minus z2 means 1 plus i minus 11 minus 6i. So that is modulus of 10 minus 5 minus 10 minus 5i. So modulus means root of minus 10 square plus minus 5 square, that is root of 100 plus 25. So root 25, which is very small compared to first one. So root 162 is very large. So this is the closest point. This is the closest point to 1 plus i. So 11 plus 6i is closest point to 1 plus i. Next we have to move the problem 4. If modulus of z equal to 3, show that 7 less than or equal to modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i, which is less than or equal to 13. We have the two conditions. Before we are going to see this problem, we have to see two properties. Modulus of z1 plus z2 is greater than or equal to modulus of mod z1 minus mod z2. Less than or equal to means modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. So we have the two properties using this problem. So modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i, which is less than or equal to means separately we have to take modulus. Modulus of z plus modulus of 6 minus 8i. Given that mod z equal to 3 means this value is 3. We have to apply here modulus. Modulus value means 6 square plus 8 square. So this value becomes 10. 3 plus 10 means 13. So this value is less than or equal to 13. Let us take this equation as 1. Next, modulus of z plus 6 minus 8, which is greater than or equal to means we have to use this property. Greater than or equal to means modulus of mod z1 minus z2 modulus. Okay. Then modulus of z minus 6 minus 8, here we use 3. Given that mod z equal to 3 means, so we have to use here 3. 6 minus 8 means we already known that 10. Okay, 3 minus 10. So 3 minus 10 means minus 7. We have to modulus minus, we got to know modulus minus 7 means plus 7. So modulus of 6 z plus 6 minus 8i greater than or equal to 7. Okay, we take this equation as 2. From 1 and 2, this value is less than or equal to 13, this value is greater than or equal to 7 means we get the answer 7 less than or equal to modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i, which is less than or equal to 13, hence the result. Okay, I think clearly understood this concept, and we have to see the next problems in the next class. Okay.